Hello, how are you doing? I am making some jewellery with lots of other people. Um, this I'm doing it for kids, for my grandkids really. Um, this is like Super Mario mould, so I'm going to do Mario, Yoshi, Toad, Coin, and the other thing, and I don't know what it's called. Um, It's one of the baddies. I'm using Sculpey, is it Ultralight or something like that? It feels a bit like marshmallow, to be fair. I quite like it. I didn't think I had any, so I was made up to find it on my shelf. So there's Mario. And they're all together. After I bake them, I paint them. This is like the end of the flower cane I made the other day, and I'm going to use it up. I'm going to chop it up, mix it together, and I think I make beads with it and something else, so nothing gets wasted, using everything up. So how are you all doing? I hope you're all well. I'm just showing little snippets of each thing I've made because there was a few things I did. I went a bit overboard and now I'm rushing to get it all edited and up for in a little while. So yeah, I've mixed it all together, rolling it, and like stretching it, and then I'm gonna cut it up and make some beads. I really enjoy doing this, to be fair. I did make a lot of beads and it kept me out of trouble. So when I twist it, I'm like mixing the colours a bit more. Um, and I add some of the white sculpey stuff as well. I'm just rolling that out. I'm off camera a bit as usual. So I'm just gonna like kind of mix them up a little bit and then I will do the beads. Here we go, chop it all up. So each of those pieces now I'm rolling into a ball using a cocktail stick. I put the bead on, take it off and put it on the other way to avoid to make it the neater. I saw these beads on Pinterest. Um, can't remember what they call them, but they remind me of a croissant. So I'm going to call them a le croissant bead. Le croissant bead. I'm just making up this pattern, by the way. No, I'm not doing that yet. I am making some hair clips um, for my middle granddaughter. The older granddaughter doesn't wear hair clips, so making these for the middle granddaughter. So I'm going to do like little stripes of gold and purple. Nearly there now. And I just use the rolling pin just to make sure they're like stuck together. I'm going very lightly here. The ones up in the left corner, I didn't like those, but I did a couple of others which I briefly showed you. My apologies. So I'm going to chop all this up again, and this is where the le croissant bead will be made. So just chop that up, put it back together, and just trying to give a little bit of a different pattern, really. I do roll this out quite thinly. I know I could have used a pasta machine, but it's only a small amount, so I take all the edges off and make it as straight as I can. And I cut them into four and then do a diagonal cut. And round the cocktail stick, I'm going to wrap this around. And the cocktail stick forms the hole for the bead. Leave them on there and I bake them um, on the tray like that. And they do keep the shape, so that's all good. There we go. I've mixed up some pink and purple, and I'm going to make some little bows for on the hair clip thingies. Hi Oreo. Psst, psst. Go on then. So Oreo's come to say hello. Meow. Can you see him? Meow. Hey. Can you hear that purr? So yeah, I'm making this bow. I'm tidying it up a bit, make it neat, and then I pop it on top of the clip. Mm. There we go. This is the coin from the Mario set. I'm just using a acrylic paint pen from Temu. I do like these, they're nice. And they get good coverage. You don't have to go over 2 or 3 times. The one coat is usually enough. I'm doing Toad now. I'll do the rest off camera. I got carried away with all the bees. Can you see them? Oh dear. I didn't make anything with the blue ones as yet. I need a bit more elastic. And I know I've got a piece somewhere. I've just got to find it. So I just go over all those beads with, what's it called, Mod Podge gloss one. And I do them all. Oh wowza. Oh, I forgot I did these. So now I'm going to make a bracelet. I'm just threading the elastic through and putting on as many as I think I need. Put a couple more on now. And then I'm just going to tie a knot. And it's all done. Just very simple. I'm modelling it there for you as well. I wanted to make sure the knot was secure, and I was trying to disguise it inside a bead, but it didn't quite go so well. So this is purple Pearlessent UV Resin from JDiction, and these are little molds. They're from Temu, and they are specifically for hair clips. But the clip things I've got are really big, so the size of what I made for the clips were way too small, so I decided I'd do a little layer of purple on the bottom and add in what I made, and then do clear right over the top. And then I glue them onto the clips with super glue. I'm just spreading this all around, making sure I'm trying to get an even layer. I do this What was I going to say? I do this in layers. It does take a bit of time, but you know. There we go. And here comes the super glue. See how big those clip things are compared to what I made. They would have looked really silly. I have gone over the edges to make sure there's nothing sharp. And here I'm putting all the Mario characters onto a keyring. I have extended the chain on it so I can fit them all on in different places. And these are all the pictures. Thank you to all my subscribers, you're all amazing. Hope to see you soon. Look after yourselves and take care. See you next time. Bye bye.